Alley Chat, episode 1, take 1. Marker. That's how it goes. Not my department. Welcome to my channel. My name's Allie. I like long walks on the beach, sunsets, tacos. I'm just kidding. I work in TV and film as a costumer. No, not a customer, a costumer. So my job is to take care of the actor's wardrobe and deal with a little something called continuity, which we'll get to in another video. I like to describe my job in kind of a silly way. The actors are my children. I am their mother, and I'm getting them ready for picture day at school. I've been in the costume industry for about 6 or 7 years, and you've probably seen some of my work. Yellowstone, For the People, Fresh Off the Boat, LA's Finest, The Talk, Rosewood, Marshall, 911, and Bless This Mess. Just to name a few. I'm here to share my insider knowledge for anyone who wants to get started in the entertainment industry. I'll mostly be talking about the costume department, but a lot of things that I'll be talking about will apply to a lot of other departments. I want to help you get your foot in the door. Subscribe to my channel and follow along for some tips and tricks for you to get your start in the entertainment industry. And for your first tip, it's not going to be easy. Also, you can follow my Instagram for some behind the scenes footage. Tune in next week to find out how I got my start in the entertainment industry. That's all for today. See you next week. And cut.